SubTrade, subcontractor software built for the trades.
Discover how SubTrade Software's scheduling feature helps you efficiently manage employee shifts and project assignments. Welcome to the scheduling feature. In this scheduling feature, you'll be able to see all of your employees on the left side and all the weekly view on the top. Here you'll be able to scroll through weeks to review and plan upcoming schedules efficiently. You have two distinct views, daily and weekly. You can filter your calendar by employee or by project name. To create a new shift, you can manually add one by clicking this button. Alternatively, navigate to the desired date and click the plus button. Click the plus button and it will open the Add Shift window. You have several options. You can repeat the shift over multiple days. For instance, the same worker can be assigned to the same job for several days. You can go up to 7 days. You have the option to skip weekends, which will automatically configure the system to exclude them. You can set QuickTime presets. For instance, if you want your employee to work in the mornings, the schedule will adjust from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. In the afternoon, the hours will be from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. You can then assign a project. By doing so, you will see all of your projects listed here, allowing you to choose a specific project. Additionally, you can select a task. You're also able to add notes, for example, lockbox number. The schedule is complete. You can see that the days are automatically added based on the time information and project name.